Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 67.5 cents. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 67.5, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as next week goes on, that line is going to level out and then begin to work its way upwards, with an upward slant to it. So using that level, it just makes mapping out just the overall move very straightforward from a health perspective, meaning how do I judge the health of the quote-unquote move right there? Watch the purple line. As long as the price is above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price is at full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 67.5 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are 100% in full health, 100% in full control of the chart. What about levels of resistance going into next week? First key level of resistance to keep an eye on is just going to be where the price really struggled today on several occasions, right there at 70 cents. If the price can push up through 70, then going back here through the history of things, next key overarching level after that would be right up here at the 72-cent mark. So 70 and then 72, next two key levels going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at the chart, great volume, great price movement, and a great way to end the week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.